Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. Today is July 16, 2020, making today a Thursday. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm using our multiple time frame. Pretty neat, pretty straightforward. If you are watching us for the first time, make sure you hit the bell notification below so you will never ever miss one of our video. All right, so hopefully this video will help you. If you have any question, you can reach me out on the description of this video as well. All right, let me go ahead and give you the forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here trying to show you how to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. But the benefit of this one is that I do have my own rules. I like to trade with rules, and you also should be trading with rules. Rules is everything in this business. Same thing happens with life. We all should have rules no matter what we do. All right, so let me go ahead and start with the first pair of the day. So hopefully all this makes sense, guys. If you do have any question, please let me know. I will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, because let me show you so you can judge the whole thing about how it's gonna pop up by itself. All right, so right here I'm on GBP USD. I love, to be honest, I really love to use larger time frame. See, if you pay attention here, we are on 4 hours and so on. So I just want you to see that particular part in there. And let me delete this so we can see it. Let me put arrow so it can be a lot easier for you to identify. Here's the GBP USD. There is the time frame. I love to use multiple time frame. That is the title of this video. And what I have created here for you guys is I have created a very unique system where using multiple time frame. What is multiple time frame? Multiple time frame is the largest 4 time frames that NT4 has built in for us, which is forex, right? So we have H4, we have daily, we have weekly, and we have our monthly. So I love to trade this larger time frame because that is how I pay my bills. That's how I'm gonna be taking vacation, because this year we're not taking vacation anyway, because due to what's going on with the world. But the benefit of this one is when our signal come in here, everything match, boom, it hit our MA, game over, market drop. Same thing happens here, signal come in, hit our MA, market goes up. Look at right now. This is real time GBP USD. Let's do like 4 or 5 examples real time so you can understand it. Look at here, real time. Real time come here. The market tells us it's a sell. Boom, it's dropping as expected. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Even though here it came in on the MA and then it gave us the sell signal. So it's that simple. Let me go ahead and delete this. So we're gonna go ahead and show you another one. The benefit of this multiple time frame, guys, is when the see here, this is my 4 hours, my daily is here, my weekly is here, and my monthly unfortunately is not here, but that one is on blue. I love to use blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. So it's pretty neat. If this is super easy to understand. I don't think you will ever get confused. All right, so let's go to the next pair. Let's go to USD JPY. A lot of you guys say, Irvin, please never forget about when you do your analysis. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we here all the time dropping some amazing content. So in here, when the signal come in here, it tells, okay, Irvin, the market is in a buy position. Look at what happened. So we put our eyes on the moving average as well. 2 confirmation, 3. And then we take off. The market is doing what it's supposed to be doing. You're seeing it. It's live. This is real time, guys. Look at how it's moving. It's real time. Time is right there, 68.46, and it's just there. So this is real. All right. So let's go ahead and do you have any question, guys? Let me know if you have any question. Let me look. This is all I'm asking in favor, guys. If you guys are finding value of this video, all I'm asking in favor is give me a thumbs up and let me know if I need to create more videos for you guys. All I'm asking in favor is, be honest with me. If you are finding the value of this, just give me a thumbs up. If you think I need to improve my AA skill, also let me know, because I'm here for you guys. This is something that I love to do. All right, so for some reason also I was trying to show you a picture, but picture is not showing up. I guess the system don't want me to show you that, but hey, it is what it is, right? So let me go back to the chart. Where is it? Right here, right? Let me go back to the chart. The picture didn't show up. I wanted to show you something, but well, it is what it is. All right, let me show you a different example here on NCD JPY. This is with the signals that this is the video that I created on Sundays. Make sure you hit the bell notification below so you will never ever miss one of our content here. But this is what I told the guys on Sunday. I told the guys the market was bullish, to be honest. And look at what's going on here. Let me delete this. You know what? Let me bring a new template here so you now will see the Fibonacci. Where is it? Urban template, right? We're gonna bring our TWE template. There you go. Look at what the signal come in. This is amazing. I'm telling you guys, this is it. If you're looking for a program, this is it. Look at that signal come in. It matched the MA. Game over. Look at here. Market came in as a buy. It hit the MA is there. Boom. Market real time right now. Market is moving slowly. Obviously, you know we're in July, but the market is in a bullish market. Look at here. Market came in. It met our MA in there. Market took off. It's that simple. To be honest, trading is not hard, guys. It's how you are taking your trade. If you're overthinking, over leveraging your account, that's what is gonna make this business very, very difficult to operate. So I always tell everyone, please do not over leverage your account. If you are in profit, always move your trailing stop, secure yourself some profit, but don't let the system to put you into a negative. We're not in this business to see our account to go into negative. If you want to share this video with all the social media, just do so. They also can find me anywhere they want. They can find me on Instagram, Twitter, even you guys can search for me like this. Look. Right, it's that simple. See, there's no magic here. It's straightforward. Get to the point, and that's it. All right, let me show you another example here, guys. It is on our US peso. I love this pair. This pair, I think everyone, let me go ahead and reset it. This pair, everyone should learn it, to be honest. No matter what you're doing in this market, I love the US peso. It's one of my favorite pair. Look at what the market is doing here. I know the market is in a sell trend, guys. But right here, we are in a small pullback. Look at here. Pullback come in, it meet our MA, and it took off slowly. But this is what I was telling you. The market is really bearish here. So you should be only selling. Look at here. Market is selling, come in, and boom, market is dropping. I don't care about pullback. It's very important for you guys to understand what kind of trade you guys are in. Don't just trade for fun. So let me write something here so you will never forget, right? Because this is very important. Actually, let me start from here. Do not trade pullbacks. Pullbacks are bad business, guys. Do not trade pullback. Stay away from pullback. If you want to win in this business, do not trade pullback. The system is pretty neat. It's straightforward. There's no magic here. And the only magic is you respecting your rules. You must have rules no matter what. Let me show you a different pair, or let me show you the last pair, however you want to see it, right? Let me show you let me delete all this stuff here. So you will see it. This will be the last one. If you have any question, the description of my Telegram is below. Send me a message, and then we can talk about it behind scene. But I just wanted to kind of like give you a quick overview of how our multiple time frame works, right? So let me go ahead and bring this up here. Let me make it a little bit small so you can see it. Look at the benefit here. See, signal come in. Look at here, real time. Euro CHF, real time. Market is selling. What are you doing? Look at that. It came in. Look, the magic arrow came in. It meet our MA. Boom, bingo. Look at here. Market came in. Told us market was bullish. It was bullish. Look at here. Market. Let me make this smaller so you can see it. So I want you to see the whole picture. Look at here. Signal come in as well here. And market was selling. Look at here. Signal come in here. Market was in a buy position. It's that simple, guys. And the magic here, to be honest, that's what I call this magic arrow, right? Magic here is when it hit RMA, it's game over. Hit RMA here, it's game over. Hit RMA here, it's game over. Look at right now, it's selling. Look at that. Right now, as we speak, this market is selling. It's just doing that. I mean, this is pretty straightforward, guys. I don't know if you guys have any question, but this is a awesome system in my opinion. And this is called multiple time frames. All right, let's do MTF. Multiple time frame. And you are trading with, what's my name, guys? Tin with Urban. So you are trading with Tin with Urban. All right, so hopefully all this makes sense. If you have any question, let me know. Let me know. I got no issue to show you anything. Got no issue, but that is what it is. Multiple time frame trading with Tin with Urban. Let's do one more, and then we'll take off for the day. I just want you to take a look at it and so on, right? So let's do the last one, Euro Canadian, right? I don't know what's Euro Canadian. All right, there you go. Euro Canadian. Let's go ahead and bring our template so you can see it and you can judge on the other side. But look at that. Signal was claiming there, telling us, oh yeah, we are in a sell position. Yes, we are in a buy position. Look, so damn clean. But let me take all these Fibonacci lines in there. Let me delete this multiple time frame Tin with Urban, and let me make this a little bit small. Let's make it small. Look at how beautiful this thing is, guys. Look at this gorgeous. Look, it gave us a buy, sell, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy. Look what the market is doing right now. Euro Canadian. I don't know if anyone is telling you what it is, but look at that. Let me zoom in. Let's go to real time. I love to teach people. When I'm teaching people how to do this, guys, when I do the one-on-one, by the way, if you want me to book one-on-one with you, my calendar is below. Send me a message and I will be more than happy to work with you on teaching you how to trade. But when I teach people how to do this, I always teach people real time. I don't care what happened in the past. The past will never, ever in your life will make you money. What happens yesterday or what happened 5 minutes ago is not gonna make you money. You are making money in real time. Real time is all that matters. Because as soon as I hang up or drop this video on YouTube, it's game over. That is reality. But look at what reality is telling us here. Reality is telling us the market is in a sell position. You tell me if the market is not doing. Look at that. It's telling you clearly. Look at that magic arrow coming as well. All the rules met. And boom, market is dropping slowly. That's what it is. Look at here. Market was bullish. It met RMA as well. And market took off. Trading is not hard, guys. Hopefully all this makes sense, guys. If you have any question, drop it below or send me a private message. My Telegram is below. So we can wrestle this in private. So remember, make sure you subscribe, guys. I will be making my pre-week analysis this Saturday, and then I will be giving you the full week analysis on Sunday, which is gonna happen on next week. All right, so look at that, real time. Market is acting in real time right now. So if you guys don't have any question, I'm gonna have to do something pretty amazing, and hopefully you know what it is, because it is time to enjoy. Who do you think I'm here for? I'm here to enjoy my families. All right, guys, so see you on Saturday. Take care. Bye bye.